Welcome back, all you gamers and the like. Today we're doing some more Destroy All Humans. Last episode we finally did that one mission. So happy. I don't think you guys understand how happy I am with that. Okay, let's do the next mission. I feel like we're gonna be doing some destroying. Well, besides the name of the game, I mean using the saucer, we're gonna have to destroy some stuff.
Crypto, I need data on the structural integrity of the local architecture. I'm activating our latest F-800 drones to scan these hegemonic edifices.
Let me guess. You need me to babysit the drone.
Precisely. Hasta la vista, Crypto.
Martha, come quick! There's a gas! Go ahead. Die, scumbag.
Only 1 minute remaining. Keep calm.
Little green Run for your life! You have the right.
Okay, I'm not liking this mission already. Because it's another one of those protect missions.
Attention, citizens! Attention! Please step up! Damn it! This fire!
And I'm not a huge fan of the protecting missions.
10 seconds. Excellent data! Or is it data? One final scan and the topographical analysis is complete.
Never considered destructive testing?
In order to quantify the effectiveness of our arsenal, it is imperative that we first collect hard data on how hard these buildings are.
So I do get to blow them up, right?
Let's not go off half-cocked, Crypto.
What do I have to do? You have the right to remain silent.
30 seconds left.
Damn it! This fire's gonna ruin my suit.
Good, I want it to ruin your suit. Oh,
Mind over matter.
10 seconds.
Attention, sir!
uh-oh, dead.
Drop it!
Good work, Crypto.
Board the saucer. Now you're talking my language.
Sir, the private regrets to inform you that he is on fire, sir!
Okay. Those look like tanks. think I'm gonna like this. Let's just hope I can get him.
Crypto, here's a frightening new weapon for your saucer. The Quantum
Ooh.
Deconstructor. It has a blast wave that destroys everything. Try it out on the commercial buildings of Sancta Modesta.
So I have to you have to get it up to 100% before you can Okay, where's the military base? No, okay. Interesting. I should just go and just destroy stuff. I shouldn't worry about anything. Okay. Y'all ready for this?
Crypto, here's a frightening new weapon for your saucer. The Quantum Deconstructor. It has a blast wave that destroys everything. Try it out on the commercial buildings of Sancta Modesta.
at 50%.
Martians!
65%. 70%. Okay. We're at 120%. Who's ready to do a little more mayhem? Oh, I love that. Sweet. Oh, I love this. Destroy military defense structures. Oh well. At least I got 2,500 DNA from that. Red Saucer flattens Santa Modesta shopping district. Okay, so now I should have... Yes, I've got new ones that I can do. Might as well upgrade the probe. And then let's check out my saucer. So increases the size of the explosion. That'll be a good one to get. Increases the capacity. Increases the size of explosion, capacity. Vehicles, buildings destroyed by it have a chance of getting transmogrified. Destroying human civilization with the death ray or sonic boom gradually recharges. Ooh, I should focus on this one right here, because then it'll charge it up eventually. Then, okay. Ooh, we're in a new one. Union Town. Let's get to it. Oh, this is eerie looking.
Curse you, pathetic humans!
Uh-oh. What happened? So, electrical damage. Oh, this is so similar to the start. I think I'm trapped.
Mind woozy, vision blurred, bladder bursting, must get to a lavatory. Oh, my aching cranium. Crypto, you moron. First step is admit you've got a problem. Please, please, tell me I'm alone.
Huh.
Oh, thank you. Great frontal lobes. But where in space am I? Looks like some kind of primitive laboratory, a cage, and humans are being held against my will, and not in the fun way. Oh, they touched me. I feel so dirty. Okay, Okay, that's it. I'm getting out of here.
No.
Now.
Okay. So let's attack this.
Was that Nicholas?
Nobody ever wanted. Put me down, space rat.
Oh, am I supposed to? Oh, okay. I didn't read the mission parameters. Yikes. Okay. Okay. Let's hollow bob this guy. Oh, crap.
I could take that guy, and her.
So yeah. No.
Fight me. What if the other guys notice? Oh, who cares?
Oh, Crypto, you're still alive.
Of course I'm alive. It takes a lot more than a massive head trauma to keep me down.
Do you have any idea how long I've been waiting to get my hands on one of these? I know.
Oh man.
Gun, dummy, what you look like? Let me tell you something.
There we go. I got myself a gun now. I think that's disintegration ray.
Little green men! Not again! Colorblind morons! Die, pea brain!
Well, in their defense, I am green
Hey,
now.
where's the... What did you do with my clip, monkey boy? Phew! So much for wholesale carnage. I guess I'll just have to settle for ripping your limbs off one by one with my bare hands until I find it. With my bare hands.
Okay, that just happened. Okay, so I don't have my jetpack.
Oh, time to refill the pocket flask. Boy, there's a lot of weird crap going on around these docks lately. Must be something in the water.
Ooh.
What's the condition of your ship?
No idea.
This guy just doesn't.
Does not play dice with the universe. He does, however, hit the blackjack tables. Man, do I hate marching. These boots suck.
Okay, so this should give me. Oh, what? So I have to get something else before I can.
Hey! A lot of grunts around lately.
Gotta get my
Good.
jetpack before I can
This
get anything
information will
else.
help lead us to your ship. Scan more workers.
The hell's in all those army crates coming over from Monroe Island? Ain't nothing there but that old abandoned fort. Or is there?
I detect the presence of a Furon jetpack nearby. You will need it in your search. Your ship went down on a nearby island. Excellent.
Sweet.
Keep scanning
It
workers.
was a good thing I already went in there.
A lot of grunts around lately. Couldn't be
Oh.
commies in Uniontown. Or could there?
Okay.
Why do dock workers all wear these funny hats? Oh, man. I'm never gonna finish my dissertation on the workers' means of production helping overthrow the bourgeoisie while working these docks. I've got my union card. I can feel a strike coming on.
Oh my gosh. So, how am I supposed to be doing this?
God, I hate my job. Elvis Schmelvis. I could do that. Uh-huh.
Okay. I've got to find a safe and secure spot where no one else is in order for me to get up there.
So the guys from Green Bay asks if I'm a Packer fan. I says, Packer? I hardly know her. My mind says Clift, but my body says Brando. Don't you two like us have anything better to do than stand around
Okay.
looking wise? Matter of fact, Mr. Federal Agent, sir, we're supposed to be over these villages. You think I'm
And
serious?
line everybody off.
I hear Hoffa's buried under these docks somewheres. Oh, wait, he's not dead yet. I don't know nothing about that.
Time's up, freak.
Okay.
I got some Reese's speed.
He's got what are Reese's Pieces supposed to be? What really attracts us? I don't. Okay. Once this expires. Okay. Ooh. I'm gonna risk it. I'm gonna risk it.
Crypto, you don't have authorization.
Okay, never mind. I'm not gonna risk it.
The hell's in all those army crates coming over?
The human military-industrial complex is apparently using a marine barge for surface transportation to and from the island. You may be able to use it to get to the island.
Oh man. Okay, now I gotta find a new meat suit.
Hey! When I catch you, you're going down.
Okay. Okay, there we go.
Man, I feel like cracking some heads. You know, let off some steam.
Huh. Man, this is a maze to go through.
What's going on?
Let's do
Oh, sweet. Just randomly found one of those. Let's read his
What would
mind
Brando
to
do?
recharge this.
Why does Joe keep looking at me? He can't tell just by looking. Can he?
Tell what?
I can't take you over without proper authorization. Where you're going.
Sweet.
I ain't taking you nowhere without proper authorization. Marilyn, will you take me to the island now? Now you're talking. Welcome aboard, soldier.
Seriously? That's what had to happen? That was weird.
Your ship must have crashed somewhere nearby. But be careful. The island must be positively crawling with human warriors.
It's gonna be... as long as it's not crawling with majestic people, I'm fine. It's just once majestic... Ah, crap. There's so many
The
majestic
humans are
guys.
moving your ship. You must find a way to release it.
Adi Askverd? I don't get it.
Ooh. Wasn't that weird, guys?
I knew I should have joined the Texas Air National Guard. Now that'd be some easy duty.
Ah, okay. I just gotta implant a command into this guy. Okay.
Something's wrong with this ship. I can't take off.
The humans have removed the power cells from the ship's engine core. I've detected the radiation signature of the energy cells coming from a human marine transport vessel near your location.
Oh, okay. I don't even... I guess I have to be I guess I have to be alien at this point. So I'll just wait for that to happen, I guess. This mission's taken longer than I expected.
Whoa. The hell's going on around here?
This is...
Hey! I'm on a...
You come and make me... Oh, goody. You talking to me?
Hey, man!
You're an ugly little space rat, ain't you? Pick it up on your own side. There's nothing you can...
Spacemen! Out of the way!
This is not standard up.
Okay, there we go.
Crap! Space invaders!
I'm shut. Is this... You have... It's all good. Nobody ever wanted to. Hey, space. You're terminated.
There we go. Oh, I probably shouldn't be doing that. My jetpack does not reach that far away.
You've done it, Crypto! You've collected the energy cells required for liftoff! Return to your ship immediately!
On your knees.
Nope. There we go. Mission successful. 100% completion too. Sweet.
So, what would you like to upgrade, you little ball of unbridled aggression?
Actually, I gotta pick some saucer upgrades. Upgrade that. Then I'll upgrade it again. Okay, I'm gonna leave this episode here, guys. I hope you guys enjoy my videos. If you do, hit the like button and subscribe. And then when you subscribe, if you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video, which is usually Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. That I know that's a weird schedule, but that's my schedule. And remember to be kind to yourself, to others, and most importantly, to the world. Have a wonderful day.